Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Logging Aid. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to delete tagged account. You can easily delete your tagged account. With that, all your information and your data regarding your tagged will be removed. To do that, first open your tagged application on your mobile phone. Now make sure that you are logged into your tagged account. Now here you'll be taken to browse section. Now here tap on three lines on top left corner. Then tap on settings icon near your profile name. With this, on the account you can see the option of cancel account. Tap on cancel account. By cancelling your account, you lose access to your messages, photos, gold and progress in pets. So now tap on continue cancellation after making sure that you want to delete your account. Now here you need to tell your reason for leaving your account. So select a reason. If you select all the reason, then you need to specify the reason as well. So select any one of the reason. After that, you need to confirm the cancellation. So now tap on confirm option. With this, now you will be taken to your login page. With this, your account will be locked and inaccessible. With this, you'll be able to delete your tagged account. As you can see here, my tagged account has been deleted. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.